We're going to start with putting a little bit of milk in here with some butter. Don't worry about the ingredients because I'll leave it in the description below. But what we want to do, we want to put this in a microwave and let it get a little bit warm. And we'll start off with the dry ingredients. So with the flour, using Splendid, a much healthier way of using sugar. I like to put a little bit of nutmeg. In my opinion, you don't have to put it, you can leave it out. One thing I like to do, I like to add an egg. Forgot to do that, but you want to add an egg in there, and you want to kind of beat it up. Now we're going to add in our package of yeast. We'll let that set for a minute. Kind of give it a good. That, my friends, is what we're looking for. We're going to put that right down into the batter. We're just going to put this on high mix, lock this in place, and then okay, and that's what you're looking for right here. Hang on. Okay, that's what we're looking for. The trick is you want to kind of get your hand oily a little bit, wipe them down so this don't stick to your hands at all. Okay, perfectly. Pull down your surface as much as possible right here. It's going to allow us to knead it because you're going to knead this dough. You want your dough to be sticky like this. This is what's going to help make your donuts. And you don't want to add no flour to it as much as possible anyways. And we're going to put Saran wrap over it and let it set for an hour. Plastic wrap, whatever you call it. A little bit of flour on this now. About like that. And our dough that's been rising, we're going to put it out. So we're going to take our dough cutter. First we're going to flip this around. Make sure this gets all flat and even like that. And we're just going to take some donut cutters and make us some nice looking donuts. Perfectly good right there. Donut. Let me tip it over. It's getting, you don't want to get it too dark. You want it to be a light brown color. Okay, this is what we're going to make our glaze with from cake icing, frosting. And I'll show you how to do that. Put our icing in here after we microwave it. It helps loosen it up. Blue jam in there with some food coloring. We're going to take our donut like that, and we're just going to put it in. And we're going to put it like that. We're coming back. Taste test on this. Look at that donut right there. Look at that. That is so delicious. I mean, you see that right there? It's delicious. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. And if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. And hit that notification bell.